I want to show you that if you need to connect wires together, there is a way besides twisting on the wire nut. Now, wire nut manufacturers usually have their own device to put on wire nuts, but most of them do. Now this kind, I used to get these in a bag of say 500 or 1,000, and they actually gave me the driver with it. And all you do is put it on and go gently, and your wire nut is on there. It's nice and tight and easy on your hands. Now, I don't believe these ones are available readily. I get these from the wire supply house, electrical supply house. So, but the ones you can buy from your home centers, does a nice job of putting them together. The ones you can buy from your home centers, I think, are ideal, and I believe they have a driver for those kind too. I currently don't have one, but I just wanted to make you aware that there are ways to drive wire nuts without having to twist them all in your hands, especially if you have a lot of them to do. So, there are wire nut drivers out there.